Good morning, students. Today we'll be studying Paint, this beautiful poem regarding paint. I hope you all are doing well. Let's just recite this poem. Let's just learn about this poem. Paint, right? The poem Paint is written by Michael Broder. See, this poem has been written by Michael, and in this poem, the author says that he purchases a brush and paint for 80 bucks. For 80 bucks means for 80 rupees, he purchases brush and paint. A brush and paint he purchased, and soon he realized that he isn't a very good painter. And soon after purchasing all those paintbrush and paint, he realized that he is not a good painter. So he moves to a seashore where he goes to sand dune and mark his signature on that. And soon he just went to the seashore. Seashore means sea ke kinare, where he goes to a sand dune. Sand dune means you can say you used to make a dunes of this sand. रेत के बड़े बड़े पहाड़ बनाते हैं, and he used to mark his signature on that. और उसके ऊपर he just put a mark on it. And finally his imagination comes over and he gets wonderful. And finally, with this, he get a wonderful imagination, get a wonderful idea after this wonderful painting for this wonderful painting that he actually made a mark over there in the sand dune. So let's just. I picked up a brush and 80 bucks worth of paint. What he's saying that I picked up a brush. I have purchased a brush that cost 80 bucks. And after a few tries, I knew that kind of artist I am not. And after few, you can say after few tries, after a few drawings, and after few workings, I realized that I'm not at all a good artist. So I will paint a picture in your head with the words that I write instead. He's saying that I will basically paint a picture in your head means in your imagination with the words that I write instead. With the words that I write instead means with the drawings instead of drawing, I will paint a picture in your imagination. I'll start with the sky. Use your imagination and blue, like what he's saying. I'll start with sky, actually with your imagination, which is blue and blue, like the first day of summer vacation, and it will be the first day of our summer vacation. And next is the grass, which is tall and green. And after the sky, I'll target the grass, which is little taller and which is green in color. The breeze make it wave. Breeze means the wind that is slowly moving air that makes the grasses they move in the forward and the backward direction. And the sun makes it sheen. What do you mean by sheen over here? And the sun, the bright light that falls on the grasses, it makes them brighter and shinier. And just beyond the grass are the sand dunes, or beyond the grass there are sand dunes. That is the heap of sand. And just above that, a seagull looms. And seagull is the bird that looms in the sky. And the air is sweet with the scent of the ocean. The air is actually like flowing in the backward and the upward direction with the scent of the oceans, you can say the fluttery nature of the water. And the coconut in the suntan lotion, and the coconut that is hanging, that is the tree, it is hanging at the suntan lotion. You can see that the coconut trees are very much taller, right? So he is saying that this coconut trees are hanging at the height. And the sun is warm and bright, and I have to squint to see that little boy's kite. He's saying that the sun is too bright that मेरे को अपनी eyes को छोटा करना पड़ रहा है to see the boy's kite. Like squint means whenever when the in the bright night, in the bright day na, you see the sun is shining, and we are not able to see, we are not able to look at the sky with our naked eyes. So I this squint, that is our you can see the our pupils, they used to move upward and downward very frequently. That is known as a squint. Okay, I crest the dune and there is this, I crest the dune means as I pass the sand dunes, I see that there is a, and the waves they crash and foam and softly roar at me. The waves are coming forward, backward, coming forward, backward, making a foamy structure and softly roar at me. That is, आपने देखा होगा, if you have ever been to a sea, you must have seen that waves they come at the shore and they then move backward. They come, they move backward. So these are the motion, the foamy structure of the water and their sound. I wade in and it is quite cold. I wade in means I just what basically I do. I wade in means I enjoy it. And it is quite cold. And let's sign this in the sand. Or क्या करें? Let's sign in the sand means making different structures in the sand. Where the waves hit the shore. और जहाँ पे waves क्या करती हैं? They are hitting the shore means they are coming forward to the shore and then moving backward. And the sea meets the air and the land, and how the sea meets the air and the land. And now step back and look, what a wonderful view. Now you can step back and view what is a wonderful view that you, and the canvas can go wherever. Canvas is basically a platform, basically a board on which the drawings we used to make, and because it's just you that you have to make beautiful pictures on the canvas. It's a very beautiful poem which is actually beautifully depicting the nature, that is our sea, our seashores, the waves, their sounds, different foamy structures, and the poet is enjoying over here drawing all these things. I hope you all like this poem and keep studying, keep enjoying, and stay healthy. Thank you.